Hey YouTube, I'm back with another weekly vacuum video, and as a request, I'm sorry I couldn't answer it. It was a request of my wet dry vac weekly vacuum video. Unfortunately, my carpet nozzle for that broke. It fell off the shop vac at work. So, yeah, and it was downstairs where it went. So anyway, here's the weekly vacuum video. I'm using my EUROCLEAN Kent. Here we go. Alright, now time for the day room. This is where a lot of dirt gets tracked in, thanks to my dogs and my cat. be back in my roommate's room. Okay, I'm back in my roommate's room. Let's give it a whirl. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for this video. I guess I could do a bag dump for this video. So, I'll be back. Okay, I haven't dumped this bag for a while, so there might be some paper or something in it. But here's what was in the bag. Yeah, paper, a lot of dust from inside the house. So yeah, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. Also, those little bits of fluff are also dog hair and cat hair. So, these are great pet hair machines. I recommend these for people who have big dogs that shed a whole lot. And yeah, you can see that it's lined with pet hair as well. So that would also explain why it didn't make a big dust cloud when I turned it on. So, until next time, everyone, see ya.